IVOR wireless switch is our latest technical product. As shown in the video, the installation is quite easy. All you need to do is to connect live wire and neutral line. It's unnecessary to require any other modification on circuit. That's because it will be very complex for houses to do other extra modification. It's very suitable for old house renovation. As intelligent products, our switches can be controlled by our app through wireless network. It will be very easy and convenient for us to connect between devices and wireless network. After opening the software, find the interface to add the device. After pressing the device for 5 seconds, the indicator light will flash and search for Wi-Fi. Enter the Wi-Fi account and password and wait for 10 seconds to connect with the devices. After these steps, you can use the mobile phone to control devices as you like. On the other hand, we can also set scenes and automatical actions to control the devices. When the certain conditions you set are met, the devices will run automatically. This is the ideal intelligent product for people. Also, we support OEM and ODM. Welcome to customize.